Welcome to Natural Mobility. Today we're looking at the split jump along with a few variations and progressions, starting with swinging the arms forward and backwards as you shift your weight from the back foot to the front foot. You can try switching feet, but the key here is shifting your weight back as you swing your arms down and shifting your weight forward as you swing your arms forward. When you actually get into the jump, you are swinging your arms in order to throw your upper body weight and swinging your back foot in order to throw your hips. The last thing to touch the ground is your front foot. So you can try this drill where you are pivoting your feet as you turn around, trying not to take extra steps after you land, and just jumping back and forth. You can speed up that pivot until you're moving with a little bit of flow, or you can keep it slow. It's up to you. I want to emphasize maintaining balance, stability, and control in your landing during this jumping pivot drill. Now let's get into consecutive split jumps in one direction. Again, you want to emphasize swinging the arms to throw the upper body and swinging that back leg to throw the hips. You want to have the feeling of hurling your whole body together as one in the direction you're going. You can also try a backwards variation to this jump by swinging your arms back and throwing your front leg as you shift to that back leg. It's the same pattern as when we're doing the shifting forward and backwards movement, except you're taking off as you shift back instead of as you shift forward. Remember to synchronize the arms so they're swinging back as you take off. Another interesting variation to the split jump is jumping diagonally forward, which involves throwing whichever leg is farther away from the direction you're jumping, not necessarily the front leg. This means if you're jumping to the left, you're throwing your right leg, and if you're jumping to the right, you're throwing your left leg. You can also do this backwards. Again, if you'll notice, I'm throwing whichever leg is farther away from the direction I'm jumping. The most practical application for the split jump reveals itself when walking or running and the need to jump over or across an obstacle arises. Landing in the split position allows you to continue your run or gait pattern, but if you want to jump as far as you can or stick your landing, bringing your legs together and trying to land in a squat will help. Let's put some of what we just learned into a mini training session, warming up with the shifting drill and then moving into the pivot jump. You can do 10 with each leg forward for each of these drills. You can do these exercises as fast or as slow as you like, but I'd recommend only doing them as fast as you can do them with good form. Next, let's get into consecutive forward jumping, and then we'll finish off with a diagonal backwards jump. That's it for today. I hope you guys found this video useful. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.